All right, here we got a little wrinkle. This is a regular triangle, also known as an equilateral triangle. And the apothem is 8. So typically in an equilateral triangle, you just do 1/2 base times height. And you use your 3069 to define the height. This is a little bit different because they gave you the apothem. So the formula we're going to use is area equals 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So I know the apothem. The apothem is going to be 8. I know that I'm going to multiply by 1/2. So what I need is the perimeter. And the way you're going to do this, it works the same way as the hexagon and the square and all the regular shapes. Every angle has to be the same. 60, 60, 60. So when you draw in your radius, what you're going to do is you're going to be bisecting this angle. This little angle here has to be 30 degrees. And now what you can do is say, oh, we're going from a short leg to a long leg. We don't care what the radius is. Short leg to long leg, we multiply by √3. So that means the whole side has to be 16 √3. And then you can take that 16 √3 and you can multiply by the number of sides. And that'll be what your perimeter is.